Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a full update. I mean, in general, I would say that the situation right now, if you compare it to the situation yesterday morning when we did the last update, it's still very similar. All right, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, but also if you go to the 4 hour time frame, we are now technically in an uptrend. However, the momentum, and I would say the volume as well, is still lagging behind quite a bit. I mean, if you look at the volume right now, for Bitcoin, it's $24 billion, which is, sure, it's a lot of money. But if you compare that to last week, I mean, last week at this point of time, we had $45 billion in volume. All right. And what usually is the case is that when Bitcoin becomes quite bullish, the volume also reflects that. Right, if you just look back at the last month, for example, when we were bullish right here, at the start you don't necessarily need the volume to be very, very high. So I'm not telling you that the lack of volume is going to cause a crash. But the truth is that if the volume is low like this, and we get one fundamentally bearish event, I don't know, maybe some escalation in the Middle East, maybe something more related to crypto directly, one event like that, and we get a bit of a sell-off, and the price is going to drop down hard. All right, that's the problem with the lack of volume. So I would like the volume to increase over the course of today. That would be a very bullish indication. And in general, what you can see right now as well is if you look at the momentum here, it's also not amazing. Sure, it has increased, so the open interest has increased for Bitcoin. But then, for example, in the last 2 hours, we had another drop right here. We've seen some spot selling over the course of today, at least in my time zone. But that's for the last like 7 hours, 8 hours. So Bitcoin in general, it's not massively strong, all right? The open interest is also not even as high as it was the 19th of April when we went up to 65,000. So technically, I am bullish on Bitcoin. And I see no reason at this moment why we would not respect this uptrend. All right. So right now the main support level, if you assume this channel is going to hold, is 65,700. I would say basically the entire level above 65,000 is strong enough technical support. And I see no reason as of now why that uptrend would not hold. All right. So I think it's most likely just judging off of that we will find support and that we will slowly, as we have been doing, slowly get back up towards 68,000. And well, 68,000 is the first price target right now. After that, it's probably around 69,000. But that does look most likely. But like I said, if we really, to zoom out to the 4 hour time frame right here, if we really want to see a bullish Bitcoin and a bullish market, for sure, we would need to see Bitcoin go much higher, and the Bitcoin dominance hopefully to fall. So, like I said, I think it's most likely, especially also after getting these bullish breakouts right here on the 4 hour time frame, I think it's most likely we will continue to go up, but just be careful, right? I think caution and just to be careful of what still is possible to happen soon is the best thing to do. And look at that volume, all right? If the volume starts to really ramp up, if the volume starts to move up here, that's great. That's a bullish indication. If not, and if we get some bearish events, some bearish news, then 65,000 is the main level to hold. If for some reason, whatever it is, we break down below that, that's a very bearish indication, and then it's most likely that we will just drop back down. So that's what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know. I will probably still make some sort of a market update later today, so keep your eyes open for that. For now, though, I think that's what you need to know. I mean, there's I feel like I'm missing something that I wanted to talk about, but I cannot put my finger on it. And in general, you do know what to expect right now. So if you have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.